Hi, this is my submission for EKC16. I've used the Kirby Teasdale Studio by the Paper Studio. My hinges are also by the Paper Studio's Spare Parts. I used brown cardstock because I plan to put my wedding photos, cards, etc. in it when I'm done. I made my own handle out of blue ribbon left over from my wedding. Also made a small bow left over from the tulle from my wedding as well. As you can see, there are two butterflies here. Those ones were also left over from wedding decorations of mine. Moving on to Kathy's Tokens trunk. I made all 4 pockets like she did in her tutorial. Instead of making the bands that she did, I used ribbon because that was also left over from my wedding, and I really loved the colors. My colors were navy blue and periwinkle, and hydrangeas were my flowers. So as you can see, I have a lot of hydrangea paper on the cover of it just because it's my favorite. Here's the lid. The lid has got blue cardstock inside because it's navy. Navy, as I said earlier, is one of my colors from my wedding. It's papered all the way around the entire inside. I'm going to pull out the first folio. This has got acetate on both the front and on the back. I've got a magnetic closure. On the inside, you open it up and it turns into a photo folder. You could put memorabilia, photo mats, photos, pretty much anything that you would like to sit inside. Okay, moving on to the second one. This is photo folder number 2. This one has also got a magnetic closure. It has got a pocket inside that you could stick memorabilia, letters, pretty much anything that you would like to go inside. On this first side is another pocket that you could stick stuff in, and then on this side there is a shadow box. Excuse me for a second. The flowers and the butterfly and the leaf are left over from my wedding. I thought it would add a little bit of extra pop to it. And then here's a picture of the back. Okay, moving on to photo folder number 3. This one has got a really long magnetic hinge on it. On the front here is a pocket that goes all the way from top to bottom. On this side is another pocket. This side is a blank page. Some people have put pockets going up, and I decided just to paper mine straight over to give it something a little bit different. You can stick pictures on here if you would like to. I probably won't because I really like the paper for this part. As we open it up into the inside middle, this is another acetate pocket that you can stick pictures, more memorabilia, pretty much anything, like I said earlier, that you could possibly want inside. And then there's a little bit of the inside. And that back part also holds more pictures. Okay, and then there's another picture of the back. Okay, we're going to move on to the inside of the trunk now. As you can see, I papered the entire inside of the trunk. These inserts here, Kathy said you do not have to put inside. So if you decide you want to make this trunk for a little girl or a little boy, for toys or something like that, you probably could. Just make sure you really reinforce it. But I put both of them inside. So it's very deep. So as you can see, as I put my hand way down the side, it's actually really deep. It's great. Okay, moving on to the bottom portion. here's the bottom portion. As you can see, I have some photo booklets inside. This photo booklet is one of the accessories that goes to this EKC16 project. I think it's one of the bonus projects on here. This one is booklet number 1. Okay, I'm going to open it up inside. Okay, this flips open and is like an envelope. You just slide pictures, cards, pretty much anything extra that you might have and that you would like to put inside. On this side is another pocket that you could slide more memorabilia, etc. inside. And then there's a picture of the back. Okay, moving on to accessory number 2. This one has got a long diagonal pocket that starts from the top and goes to the bottom. This is one of my favorite parts of the paper. It opens up to a double folded photo folder, and this one has got one on each side, 2 pockets on each side. And then you open it up, and this is just like a little extra feature. This is a Kathy thing. I can't remember off the top of my head exactly what she called it. But it opens up, you can stick extra pictures, cards, photo mats, pretty much anything extra you would like. As I said earlier, hydrangeas were part of my wedding, so I bought the Martha Stewart hydrangea punch and made my own little hydrangea here in the corner. Take a look, you can kind of see it. This is also another one of her acetate pockets, Kathy's acetate pockets. And then there's the back. Okay, this one is Kathy's portrait style photo booklet. It opens up and you can stick 4x6 photos all the way down. This is a pocket here. My paper does not fit all the way. Okay, it opens all the way up with more space for more 4x6 pictures, and then another pocket on the other side that goes all the way down. There's the back. Okay, this is another part of the accessories. This is the landscape view of 4x6 pictures. It's got a pocket here. Flips through with more space. And then another pocket here. Okay, moving on to some more accessory pieces. These are the actual photo booklets. This one starts off long and it opens all the way up to the top. So you can stick a picture here, here, and here. Each one of these are pockets that you can stick stuff inside. More photo mats if you want to. Maybe a tag that would have some information about the pictures that are on this photo booklet. And then there's the back. Okay, this is another one of Kathy's photo booklets. This opens up to a pocket here on the left, and then smaller pockets here on the right. And each one of these pockets goes all the way down to the bottom, so you can stick tags of pretty much any size, especially like a tag number 10 if you use a lot of those. This opens up and you can stick a 4x6 picture here, portrait style, landscape style, and then a portrait style one right here. And then there's the back. Alright, this one is, I think this one is my all-time favorite one out of all of them. This has got 3 pockets, one here, here, and here. As I stated before, they go all the way down to the bottom. It opens up to a big space that you could stick more pictures here. And then this space as well, you could stick pictures here if you really wanted to. I probably leave mine blank because this piece in particular of paper is my favorite. Once it's all opened up inside, you have more space here for more pictures. This is a flap that has a pocket attached inside, so you can stick pictures, more photo mats if you want to, pretty much anything extra that you would like to, and then more space right here. And then there's the back. Okay, we're on to the last one. This one is for your pocket lovers. It's got a pocket going in. First pocket goes down, second pocket, third, and your fourth pocket. This is your pocket lover dream. Anybody who loves pockets will love this particular booklet. And then there's the back. And we are now down to the bottom of the trunk. As you can see, I papered the entire inside all the way around with butterfly paper, and then I used that one paper I was telling you about. That is my all-time favorite. It's got like a little postcard down here with somebody writing on it. And that concludes my video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.